Good evening. Winter weather is on its way. National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for Macon, Piatt, Champaign, and Vermilion County starting right after we wrap up at 6 p.m. to 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Those areas could expect to see some snow later on tonight. But looking at today, though, we did see some very pleasant conditions. 37 here locally in Charleston. We did get up to 40 down in Terre Haute, but between 37 and 39 for the rest of the area. And as we continue to move overnight tonight, we'll be getting down close to the freezing point, actually right at freezing here in Charleston, 32 degrees. That does mean that some snow is possible now. We're more likely to be seeing a wintry mix towards the rain side of the precipitation scale, but one thing that will be for sure is the winds. We will be seeing winds coming from our east at 10 to 15 miles an hour, gusting at times upwards of 40 miles an hour. So if you are out and about tonight, it'll be nice to know that it will be a windy evening. And it will also be a windy day tomorrow. If you're sending the kids off to school, it'll be nice for them to bundle up, maybe have an umbrella on their way to school because the rain will be staying with us. 39 for the morning high, morning daytime time tomorrow. And towards the evening hours in the afternoon, 41 for your temperatures there. Now looking at our daily breakdown, we're going to be around 42 for our daytime high tomorrow. Now we are starting out towards 40 already, and we're not going to be warming up much from there. That's because of this rain. Rain tends to moderate temperatures, which is what we will be seeing now. You do see a little bit of some flurries down there towards the 6 p.m. hour, and I will be showing you that right now, looking at our futurecast here now. Looking at the 8 p.m. hour, you already start to see a lot of precipitation in the area, and as we move forward throughout the evening hours towards midnight, we'll start to see the first bit of our snow starting to fall, mostly along the I-72 corridor here, along those areas that have that winter weather advisory. Now, as we get towards the early morning hours, we will start to see that move out of the way, and temperatures will warm to allow rain to fall. Now, rain will be widespread throughout most of the day tomorrow, and that will be the case for a lot of the day. We do get a little bit of a break early afternoon, about 1 o'clock. By the time we get to the evening, isolated flurries are going to be back in the forecast, a little bit more widespread than isolated, but for the most part, we're not going to be seeing a lot of snowfall in this second wave of snowfall. But by the time we get towards Wednesday evening or Wednesday morning, very early on, we'll start to see that rain or snow out of the forecast. Now, what I just skipped there were snowfall totals, 2 to 4 inches along the I-72 corridor and moving down towards about 1 to 2 inches past there and a trace past that. But looking, oh, there it is, 1 to 2 inches along the middle part of our viewing area, 2 to 4 inches along the I-72 corridor, down to a trace to a quarter, 3/4 of an inch down there. Now, looking at the rest of your week, though, Tuesday, rain-snow mix, as I showed you, 42 for your high there. Wednesday, we're starting to drop a little bit, 35 and back up to 40 on Thursday, partly cloudy skies, though that warm-up will not be lasting for long. As you can see here on our jet stream, we have a trough in our upper air that's allowing for that colder air to come down and cool us down for the middle part of our week. But by the time we get towards the middle part, and a west to east pattern, which will be allowing temperatures to moderate, before another trough comes through that will be cooling temperatures significantly down into the teens possibly. Looking at your 7-day here, again, Tuesday 42, isolated showers and snow there. By the time we reach